Before starting maintenance, ensure that the water supply and fertilizer supply valves are closed, and there is no pressure in the pump. The annual maintenance kit contains the following items: bearing disc, shaped seal, small motor seal, large motor seal, and silicone grease. Disconnect the drain pipe from the pump. Unscrew the cylinder housing cap.
Manually remove the motor and pump assembly.
Remove the bearing disc. Remove the two white seals. Remove the brown seal. Thoroughly clean and dry the motor unit. Position the two new white seals in place. Ensure that the seal grooves are facing each other. Position the new brown seal in place. Position the new bearing disc in place, ensuring that the white part faces the motor. Lubricate the seals with the silicone grease provided. Slide the motor back into the cylinder housing, ensuring that the large motor gasket is not folded. Reconnect the cylinder housing cap. Reconnect the drain pipe to the pump.